Going on, guys? Thought I'd just check in and give you guys a slight update on what's going on with the car. I've had a lot of time to work on it recently, so I thought I'd just show you some of the stuff that have been done. First thing you see is obviously the car's off the jack stand, it's on the ground, which means it's running and driving again, finally. And it's registered, meaning you can drive it on the streets. I went ahead and took advantage of them not doing the emissions tests. Another big thing that I've got going on, you'll probably notice right here that the hood is completely off. And that's because I took it down to my friends at Six Deuces Speed Shop down in Milford, Delaware, and they're actually going to be painting it for me. So no more primer black hood that's been on the car for almost 10 years. It's going to be color matched and looking nice. And you might also notice that the headlights now don't look tired and worn out as they used to. I went ahead and got a set of replacement lights from Rock Auto. They are not the factory Stanley lights. I know some people have had issues with the past. They are actually TYC, but they are replacement certified. And the build quality on them actually looks pretty good. And let me go ahead and pull this old light out and I'll show you just how bad the old ones were. And I didn't even realize it. But here is an old light for reference. And these lights are the original Stanley lights that came with the car. The car is a 97. And they've been buffed and polished and refinished a handful of times. And that's a brand new light. And until I set a new one next to it, I never really realized how bad they were. So I'm glad I went ahead and did that. Anyone's interested, they are on Rock Auto, and they're like 30 bucks a piece, which isn't bad. So let's get that out of there. So yeah, it's just a little update. Nothing too crazy. I did both lights. I'm hoping sometime soon I'm gonna try, because the front bumper's got a little clear coat cracking, as you can see. I'm gonna try scuffing that up and maybe getting some 2K clear coat to try and freshen that up, since the hood's gonna look nice and I don't want it to outshine the rest of the car. And then we're pretty much ready to go for racing season once this whole craziness dies down and we can actually go out and do things. So like usual, if you got any questions, you want to know anything about supercharger setups, drop a comment down below. I'd be happy to give you any information. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.